directional derivative? Directional derivative of the function. Of the function f equals to x square minus y square plus 2z square. At the point 1, 2, 3, in the direction of the line PQ, where Q equals to 5, 0, 4. This is the problem. See, first of all, we have the formula ma. What is the formula directional derivative? Directional derivative equals to del pi or gradient pi. A bar by modulus of A bar. So this is the directional derivative. In the place of pi, we have f is there. Okay, na? So that we can write del f dot A bar by modulus of A bar. Now, for this equation number 1, first of all, we are going to find the del f. The given function is this one. Okay, na? Now, here f equals to x square minus y square plus 2z square. So, applying the gradient and that is the del f. So, del f equals to what here? I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of the function x square minus y square plus 2z square. Here, applying the each and every derivative to the function, I cap dou by dou x of y square 2z square constant derivative 0, x square differentiating into 2x. Okay, plus j cap dou by dou y of x square is 0, 2z square constant, that is constant derivative is 0, remaining minus y square. Minus y square derivative is minus 2y. Plus k cap dou by dou z of x square minus y square be the constant and 2z square derivative is what here? 4z. Clear? So, del f, that is 2x I cap minus 2y j cap plus 4z k cap. So, this is the del f. Okay, now? And also, we are going to find the del f. At which point? Directional derivative of the function at the point P of 1, 2, 3. So, we are going to find the del f at 1, 2, 3. Means x substituting 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 3 in del f. It is clear? So, that is equals to x equals to 1 here. 2 into 1, 2. I cap minus y equals to 2, 4 j cap plus z equals to 3, 12 k cap. Completed now here del f. Okay, now at the point. Now, and in the directional derivative we have the formula A bar is the directional vector. By using that we are going to find the directional derivative of the given function f. But we don't have directional derivative directly, directional vector. We don't have in the given problem. See here, P of 1, 2, 3 and in the direction of the line PQ. What is the PQ line? And where Q equals to 5, 0, 4. So that we are going to first find the PQ line. That is a directional line. By using that we are going to find the A bar. Okay, now? See, And here we have the one point is there, P of 1 comma 2 comma 3. It is clear? Now I am going to write that is OP bar. What is OP bar here? We can write OP bar means that is the distance between from the origin. Distance from the origin. Okay, na? So that I am going to write OP bar equals to I plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Distance from origin to the P line. From the origin to the P line. Then what we are P point. Then what is we are getting the line that is OP bar. OP bar equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Right? Again we have the Q point is there. What is the Q point here? 5 comma 0 comma 4. 5 comma 0 comma 4. So again I am going to find OQ bar, that is the OQ line. The line from origin to the Q point. Okay, na? So distance from the origin. Then what we get here? As it is what in the given, we have to write that is the OQ line. 5 I cap, 0 j cap is a 0 plus 4 k cap. Is it right? OP bar and OQ bar. How can we get the PQ bar? PQ line is the directional vector. Okay, na? So that's I am going to find PQ bar equals to OQ bar minus OP bar. That is the formula of PQ line. So that is equal to what here? OQ bar. 5 I cap, 4 k cap minus OP. Minus I minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Right? So the PQ bar equals to 5I minus I. 4 I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap minus 3k cap plus k cap. PQ is the directional vector. Then we have to use as that is the A bar. It is clear now? Any doubts now? Hello? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
What is A bar? Directional vector. We don't have the directional vector directly in the given. So they have some hint is there. PQ line is the directional vector. So for that purpose, we have the 2 points are there PQ. Okay, na? So distance from the origin, we are going to find OP line, and OQ line also we have to find. PQ line is 4 I cap. The subtraction of the OQ minus OP. Difference between the OQ and OP is the PQ line. So that's what A bar. Immediately we are going to find the modulus of A bar. Okay, na? And modulus of A bar. So that is equal to what here? Under root of 4 square. 16 plus minus 2 whole square. 4 plus 1 square. So that is 7. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1. So that is the root to 21. Now, here small a, and this is a small b, and this is a small c. Put small a, comma small b, and small c in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. So that is the directional derivative. Directional derivative equals to del phi, del f. What is del f here? 2 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 12 k cap dot A bar. What is A bar here? 4 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap by root 21. Again we need to simplify. We have the two vector functions and we have the dot product is there. 2 into 4, 8, and 4 into 2, again minus 8, plus 12 into 1. So that is 12 by root 21. 8 get cancelled. Directional derivative equals to 12 by root 21. So that is the directional derivative of the given function. F equals to x square minus y square plus 2z square.
Ma'am, adjust the screen, ma'am.
Where it is?
Right
Okay.
side, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Hello, ma. Some mistake is there here. Minus into minus plus for the j. Minus 4 into minus 2. Here it is the plus 8, not minus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 12. 20 plus 8. This is a 28. Ever చెప్పట్లేదు. Completed? Yes, completed. Hello, ma. Hello. Completed or not?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Next problem. Find the directional derivative of one by r in the direction of r bar equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap at the point 1, 1, 2. One comma 1, 2. Okay. 548. I'm removing you. Next. Here we are going to find the directional derivative. But which directional derivative we are going to find? 1 by r in the direction of position vector. What is the position vector here? R bar equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. That is the position vector. Now, what is 1 by r? We don't have the scalar function, but we have the scalar function is there, scalar point function is there. Then we are getting the easily directional derivative of any scalar point function. What is 1 by r? So we have to calculate that. See here, first of all, the position vector r bar equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, so that is modulus of r, that is equals to r. So what we get here? Under root of I cap coefficient x square plus y square plus z square. Now what is r here? Under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now directional derivative of 1 by r can be written as this one. 1 by r equals to 1 by under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Directional derivative of 1 by r in the direction of the position vector. So, which we are going to find the del pi. Pi is the scalar point function. Now, in this problem, where is the pi? This is what pi? Scalar point function. It is clear? 1 by r is nothing but the pi. Now, we are going to find the del pi first part. Okay, now? To find del of 1 by r. That is what? Here directional derivative. For that we are going to find the first step del of 1 by r. It is clear all of you? Now, del of 1 by r, that is
Video
equals
is stuck,
to
madam.
clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to find the del of 1 by r. For that purpose, we are going to find dou by dou x of 1 by r, dou by dou y of 1 by r, and dou by dou z of 1 by r. It is clear? So, those three terms we have to substitute in the del of 1 by r. First of all, we have to simplify the dou by dou x of 1 by r. Okay, now 1 by r equals to 1 by under root of x square plus y square plus z square. So this can be written as x square plus y square plus z square to the power of minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay, now dou by dou x of 1 by r. So that's what here, x to the power of n derivative, n into x to the power of n minus 1. In the place of x, what we have? X square plus y square plus z square, that is the Archimedes. Okay na? So minus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2. Again assume term derivative. What is the assume term here? X square plus y square plus z square. Dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square. నాయిస్ చేస్తే చాలా ఇరిటేషన్ గా ఉంటదమ్మా. మేము బ్లూటూత్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా, డైరెక్ట్ నా చెవులోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఆ సౌండ్. నెంబర్ ఓకే. నౌ here dou by dou x of x square is the 2x, y square z square are the constants. Remaining I am going to write dou by dou x of 1 by r, that's what here 2x. 2 get cancelled, r can written as 2x by 2 into, this can be written in the denominator x square plus y square plus z square power 3 by 2. Again 2 get cancelled, dou by dou x, so that's what here minus x by x square plus y square plus z square power 3 by 2. Up to here any doubts ma? Clear? And same dou by dou y of 1 by r, so that's what we are getting here 1 by r. Dou by dou y of, what is 1 by r here? What is 1 by r? 1 by r is x square plus y square plus z square to the power of minus 1 by 2. So with respect to the y, same as this minus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square to the power of minus 3 by 2. And assume term derivative with respect to the y, x square plus y square plus z square. Right? Again minus 1 by 2. The denominator it will goes to the positive, the power. So to the power of 3 by 2. In the with respect to the y, x square z square constant, y square derivative is 2y. 2 get cancelled. Dou by dou y of minus y by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. This is dou by dou y. And here it is dou by dou x of 1 by r. Here it is dou by dou y of 1 by r. Now similarly, what is dou by dou z of 1 by r? Hello? Hello? Dou by dou x of 1 by r equals to minus x by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. Dou by dou y of 1 by r equals to minus y by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. Now what is dou by dou z of 1 by r?
Minus z by x square plus y square plus z square whole power 3.
Similarly, dou by dou z of 1 by r equals to minus z by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. Substitute all these three partial derivatives in the gradient 1 by r. One step లోనే చేయడానికి ఉంటుంది, కానీ lengthy derivatives are there. So that's why separately we are going to find in this problem. Okay, write down all of you. Completed? Fill it up. Fill it up.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Put dou by dou x of 1 by r, dou by dou y of 1 by r, and dou by dou z of 1 by r in del of 1 by r. So what is del of 1 by r? What is the formula? I cap dou by dou x of 1 by r for all the derivatives, right? See, this is 1 by r plus k cap dou by dou y of 1 by r plus k cap dou by dou y of 1 by r. It is clear? So that del of 1 by r, that is equals to dou by dou x of 1 by r. This is what? Minus x by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. I cap minus here y by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2. J cap minus z by x square plus y square plus z square to the power of 3 by 2 k cap. So that's what del of 1 by r, which is what here? Gradient of 1 by r. Completed. At which point? 1 comma 1 comma 2. Now we are going to find del of 1 by r at the point 1 comma 1 comma 2. That means substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 2. For that we are getting the scalar point function. Sorry, we are getting these functions to changes to the real numbers. Again we are getting the vector point function. Here x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 2. 2 square is a 4. Okay, so that is equals to minus 1 by 2 square to the power of 3 by 2. It is clear? I cap minus y is also 1 by 2 square power 3 by 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 ఉంటుంది కదా. So that 1 plus 1 plus 4 power 3 by 2. 5 plus 1 6. 6 power 3 by 2. Shake up minus z equals to 2. 2 by 6 power 3 by 2 k cap. Now what is the simplification? 6 can be written as there is no value, na? Six power 3 by 2. Okay, we'll see. So this is what here? Del 1 by r. So that is equal to what here? Minus 1 by root 6 whole cube. I cap minus 1 by root 6 whole cube. J cap minus 2 by root 6 whole cube k cap. So this is what the scalar point function completed del r. Now in the direction of r bar. So in the direction of r bar means What we are going to find? Maximum value of the given function in direction of modulus of r bar we are going to find. So this is what? Under root of x square plus y square plus z square, and modulus of r bar at which point already we have 1 comma 1 comma 2. So that's what here x square 1, y square 1, 2 square is a 4. Okay, 4 plus 1 plus 5, so that is a 6. Here total. Substitute in the directional derivative del of 1 by r into r bar by modulus of r bar. Del of 1 by r. అటు సైడ్ రాస్తే కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా మీకు? ఇక్కడే రబ్ చేసి రాయమంటారా? హలో, I'm going to next step in the last row, that board. Shall I write?
Okay, ma'am.
Now directional derivative here del of 1 by r. So this is what? Del of 1 by r minus I cap by root 6 whole cube minus j cap by root 6 whole cube minus 2 by root 6 whole cube j cap dot r bar xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap by modulus of r bar. That value is the root 6. Here multiply two vector point functions. I cap coefficient is minus 1 by root 6 whole cube. J cap coefficient is y. Here j cap coefficient is minus 1 by root 6 whole cube. K cap coefficient is z, and in this k cap coefficient is minus 2 by root 6 whole cube. Product of those two vector point functions is minus x by root x whole cube minus y by root x whole cube minus 2 by root 6 whole cube total by root 6. Here this is the directional derivative, but the directional derivative having the x ordinate, y ordinate, z ordinate values are there. Already we have the one point is there. That point is 1 comma 1 comma 2. So substitute here x equals to 1, y equals to 1, and z equals to 2. It is clear? So this is 2z. Now minus 1 by root 6. That means 6 root 6 minus 1 by root 6 whole cube is 6 root 6 minus 2z. Z equals to 2 again by 6 root 6 total into 1 by root 6. Okay, now here 2 3s are. Okay, there is no simplification. Here all the terms having the 6 root 6, 1 by 6 root 6 into 1 by root 6 into minus 1 minus 2. Again here also minus 2 is there. So minus 4 by root 6 into root 6 is a 6, 6 into 6 is a 36. Again 2 2s are 2 18s are 2 9s are. So minus 1 by 9 is the directional derivative. Write down all of you.
Ma'am, how 1 by 6 root 6 into 1 by root 6? How it came, ma'am?
Which one?
1 by 6 root 6 into 1 by root 6.
1 by 6 root 6. What, ma? 1 by 6 root 6 into 1 by root 6 is 36. That's what your question.
Ma'am, how that came? 1 by 6 root 6.
1 by 6 root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6 is a 6. 1 by 6 into 6. What is the value? Hello?
No, ma'am, from where you got 1 by root 6?
Where is 1 by root 6? This one, This is
Down,
total
down.
denominator. So that is a denominator. Then we can write this is 1 by root 6. That is, the denominator is root 6 by 1. Can be written in the multiplication type 1 by root 6.
Oh, ma'am, can you adjust the board?
What?
Board is not visible from right side.
Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Two into 2, 4 here. In this 4. 4 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. And here it is the 36. 6 is the 36. 1 by 6 is the answer. We didn't consider the 2. That is, when we are taking outside the common of 1 by 6 root 6, we get in the bracket is minus 2 minus 4. Then minus 2 minus 4 is a minus 6. Minus 6 by 6 into root 36. Root 6 into root 6 is the 6. 36 denominator. Again by the cancellation we get minus 1 by 6 more. Yesterday's problems, how many are done? How many are completed the yesterday homework problems about the directional derivative? No one completed.